Thank you, Mr. Chairman, sir, for allowing me to participate for the discussion of the present budget discussion 2022-23. Oh, 2022-23. Sir, I'm thankful to the government, the MDA government, and the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, and the Council of Ministers, and all our colleagues who are present in this August House. Sir, in the last 4 years, the MDA government have done a lot of work for the people of the state in general and the Sohiong country in particular. Sir, I have to take only one or two important points when I thank the government for the construction and expansion of the additional critical roads with an investment of rupees 800 crores. So, in this presentation of this budget by the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad Sangma, it reflects one of the most important roads in my constituency. That's the Lao Mei Road. This road is very important, sir, in my constituency. The people of Xiliang we used to call Dingye area. The village, they are opposite to Shillong. When we used to come to Shillong, we have to go via Malngiang, Sao, Damsai, Malngiang, Maulai to reach to Shillong. Sir, the distance for going via this road, it takes 52 kilometers to reach to Shillong. Sir, with the presence of this road in the budget, it will cut short. From 52 kilometers, it cut short to 15 kilometers from Lao Mei to Tyngka. Sir, this road, when I have seen critical road, that part for the construction was a very critical with the causes of the River. When after the completion of this road, I thought not only for the benefit for the people who are living in that area, but also it will be the asset for the tourist spot in our state with the beautiful gorgeous of the river in that area. So, with this road, I thought it will uplift the people who live in that area. Sir, I am thankful to our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister for considering this important road. Sir, not only this road, but this road is very short, sir. After the completion for construction, it was only 9 kilometers. But the total estimate for construction of this road may be more than 90 crores above. So, the proposal for construction of this road, how to ease the congestion of the Shillong city, to shift some important education institute to that area also. Then after the completion of this road, you will see the expansion of the Shillong, not only to the Jingkren side, but to Maumi area. It's the big area. This is the plan of the MDA government under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister. Sir, I have got the sanction, one of the important road, Mau Maram, Nong Tleo, Mau Mi, Mau Landap, Sao Road. It was sanctioned 86 crores from the World Bank. Now the construction are in progress. Sir, for the information of the House, that the KJP Assembly Synod Sabni will help in Lincoln, which fall under my constituency in Sohiong. The preparation for the strengthening and upgradation of Sohiong Linkhoi Road, 15 kilometers. Now we have got sanction from the RIDF 9 crore. Sir, I am thankful to the MDA government for listening to my request. All this road, it will be completed before the synod should come. Sir, for the Jal Jeevan mission, Jal Jeevan mission was first launched in Sohiong. At the time I was the minister, we learned together, myself with our Honorable Chief Minister. But now, sir, for the information of the House, in my constituency, we have been able to provide tap water connection more than 40%, sir. This is the flagship, common flagship of the MDA government to provide water supply scheme to each and every household. Sir, I have some important issue to request.
Member, your time is up.
Just
Yes.
one.
Yeah.
I request that even right now, our members have speaking the traffic congestion in Jylla. Sir, I request the Chief Minister to follow up and speed for the construction of the very important road, that is the Shillong Western Bypass. All the land acquisition, the survey, and the DPR was done. Sir, I request the government of the day to follow up with this very important road, Shillong Western Bypass Road. Sir, I have only views. I urge the government and the Chief Minister to consider for the construction of the new infrastructure for the CNRD block, Sohiong. And also to consider one regular school, SSLC, in Krang area, how to help the student
Member,
who
I think
appear
it's enough.
selection test
Your time
for
is up.
SSLC.
Your time is up. Yes. Your time is up.
Okay.
You may continue next time. You can please.
Okay, with due the constraint of time, I have only few, but thank you for allowing me.
Thank you.
I resume my seat, sir.